What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and I'm back with part 2 of the Halloween room. This is the setup video. So I think it's a 4-part series. I've got 4 ideas for videos. So this first one was kind of preliminary, talking about it. Second one is setup, which is this one. Third one, I think, is going to be describing how I programmed the photo booths to be like so Halloween, and well, we'll get into that in the third one. And then the fourth one will be the walkthrough of the whole booth with, you know, crowds and everything. So let's get into it. You ready to rock? This Halloween room has my brand all over it. So I can't just throw a photo booth inside a room. So thank God I'm a rental company, and I'm gonna use all my tricks to make this thing stand out, because at the end of the day, the branding of my room will speak volumes about how quality my business is. And then once those customers get the photo booth pictures, they're gonna go, yeah, that photo booth company, let's rent them. So I've really got to step up my game here. So I went to this website called Atmos FX, and basically it gives you scary images that you download and you put onto your projector, and it's like projector props that move just to give that sort of effect feel. So I've got one of the projectors that I rent out here. It's just the Jinhu projector. It's about 150 bucks. And rented out all summer, but all the weddings are over, so it's currently not being used for the month of October. So I'm going to take one of these and put it in my Halloween room. Okay, so I've got the projector with the video blood wall programmed into the stick, and then I've got it hooked up to my speaker. So this is how it's going to go in the room. There's going to be a blood wall projection. I've also got a vampire video. I might buy a few more. And through the speaker here with the sounds are scary. So here's my first load of stuff. Check out this piece. I did as much as I could on my own, but I needed to whip out the cavalry. Are you the cavalry? So I've got my uplights that I rent here, and I'm gonna do them red around the whole thing because the whole blood theme. We have the bartending, photo boothing rental girl here, fashioned with the latest of event planner wares.
I'm like, what are you doing? I'm trying to hang this.
So I've got the phone just in there. I'm going to plug it in so that it can always project a hotspot onto the photo booth.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so my other booth wasn't working, so I had to get this white one here, and I programmed it all up. So we're gonna take it for a whirl with the hands-free. So big update with the photo booths. I'm just updating them so that they're all fresh for the Halloween room, and there's a brand new update on DSLR booth. So you see that? That's a QR code that's gonna pop up right on the screen in the middle, and prompt will come up on the phone, and now it's touchless. No one needs to touch anything. So make sure, if you're a photo booth owner, that you are advertising this to your customers, because it's a huge thing. No one wants to touch anything nowadays. So touchless, it's a thing with DSLR booth. I too have adapted the event planner style. Oh yeah. How do you guys like it?
I can just eat the pizza?
Yeah, boy. Alright, my faithful followers, that's all you get for today, but stay tuned to the next video where I explain how I make the photo booths, why I'm doing this in some other guy's Halloween room, what my business advantages are for it. I'm just going to break it down how this is a big business win for me in the next video. Alright, and as always, you stay classy.